Heroes, reclaim your strength today. Every hero faces challenges, physical scars, emotional wounds. At the Helping Heroes program in Orange County, we understand the battles you fight. Our dedicated outpatient rehabilitation service supports veterans, first responders, and airline professionals in overcoming setbacks. Each journey begins with compassion and clear guidance, paving the way to holistic healing. Our expert team blends physical recovery with emotional support, fostering a nurturing environment where barriers crumble. Your path to wellness is not a lonely road. You become part of a supportive community, united by shared struggles and triumphs. We listen, we care, and we empower you to rise above adversity. Every step forward matters, and together we celebrate even the smallest victories, each a building block of renewed hope. Let the warmth of community and expertise spark a transformation you never thought possible. Embrace the future with strength and clarity, knowing that healing is a journey best shared. Reunite your spirit, reclaim your well-being, and join us on this life-changing path. Visit our website or contact us now to learn how the Helping Heroes program can be your guiding light. Your recovery journey starts here with us. Transform your life with us.